Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2012 Mazda 3. This is the 2.5i S. This thing's actually not half bad. There's no outside trunk release, really? Just taking it on trade. This one's going to auction. Although, we may try to keep it, just in case though. Because this thing only has 80,000 miles on it. So, automatic windows. This thing doesn't have cruise control, but it has automatic windows. Okay. That's peculiar. Gonna heat a little bit. Alright. I don't know why I did that. There is no backup camera in this. So, 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder. Your powertrain on this. I do not have much gas, but whatever. I've driven a Mazda Speed 3 of this generation, not for the channel, unfortunately, but it's a pretty fun car. One thing I've noticed with this is throttle response is pretty darn good. Again, this is an auction car, so anything you might notice. We actually might send this to a wholesaler. Just because it's clean enough. Runs and drives. I do like the massive gear indicator. Obviously in manual mode. What are you, 5-speed? Yeah, thought so. Oh, brakes are okay. I drove this thing earlier, so I should know what brakes are like, but there's some flat spots. Some pretty nasty flat spots by the sound of that. Or the feel, I should say. Oh yeah, right about 55. Those are nasty. Little 2.5 is a good motor. Plenty of torque. I mean, this thing weighs next to nothing anyway. What I may start doing is, that would be kind of cool. Guess what's wrong with it, or spotlighting cars that are pretty heavily broken. Take them for a drive and be like, all right, what's your guesses? What's wrong with it? Yeah, that would be kind of cool. Make it a kind of a game. Because it's pretty fun. Honestly, it's pretty funny driving some cars. You're like, okay, this thing's so bad. Brakes are pretty good. I don't even think I think they're drums out back. Every time I take that corner, this is a 30-mile-an-hour speed limit, but man, it feels like you're flying. This darn thing runs and drives pretty well. It's got Sirius XM radio? Oh no, the button just doesn't work. CD? What do you got? Metallica. And no, I'm not good with music. That I just saw the CD cover in the glove box. Needs wipers. Bad. That was probably a stupid decision. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.